In today's video, we are going to be doing this natural makeup tutorial using our brand new natural kit. Jumping right into the look, we are going to be starting with our base face, whatever that means for you. For me, that's foundation, concealer, and powder, but that could mean something different for you. So start off with whatever your base face is. Next, we're going to be going in with a very neutral toned palette. This one is by Marc Jacobs. Starting with the lightest shade, we're going to be applying that on our lash line and into our outer corner and crease. You can also take that color and go underneath your lower lash line as well. Now taking a smaller domed brush, I'm going to use the second to darkest shade in this palette to run that along my lash line just to add some depth, but I don't want to do anything too crazy because I want to keep this look as natural as possible. Once you've taken that eyeshadow all the way across your lash line, you can lightly blend upwards. Then just going back in with our fluffier brush, I'm going to blend everything out. You can also take a little bit of that shadow underneath on your lower lash line as well. Taking that fluffier brush again, I'm going to pack just a tiny bit of the darker eyeshadow in my outer V. Then I'm actually going to take a highlighter and pop that on my brow bone and then a little bit on my lid. Now, of course, going in with our MoxieLash Magnetic Liquid Eyeliner. For my liner today, I'm going to be doing a pretty simple, very small little wing, just to add a little bit of dimension, but keep it looking natural and not go out with like a really big wing. While I'm letting the liner dry, I'm going to be applying a little bit of mascara to help the lashes blend a little better. Before applying your lashes, you want to make sure that the liner and your mascara is completely dry. You don't want to get any of the wet liner or wet mascara on your lashes because it can ruin them. Now for the fun part, we get to decide which lashes from the natural kit we want to choose. We have Baby Lash, Cheeky Lash, and Classy Lash to choose from. I'm going to be trying on all three of the lashes from the natural kit so you guys can see exactly how each one looks with this natural look that we've got going on here. And then of course I will choose one to keep and wear with this natural look. The first lash that I'm going to be trying on is our Baby Lash. Our Baby Lash is our most universal lash and it's going to fit all different eye shapes. Next up, I'm going to be trying on our Cheeky Lash. Our Cheeky Lash is the smallest accent lash we have, but it's perfect for people with very small eyes or somebody who doesn't really like to show off that they're wearing lashes. Maybe they want to be a little incognito about it. Last up, I'm going to be trying on our Classy Lash. Our Classy Lash is also perfect for women out there with smaller eyes, of course, and it adds a little bit of volume and fullness to your lash look. For today's look, I've decided to go with the Baby Lash. It is one of my all-time favorite lashes. I love how small it is. It's so lightweight. I can't even feel that it's on, but it also kind of packs a little bit of a punch. That is it for this natural makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope it was helpful and we hope it helped you decide whether or not the natural kit is for you. Don't forget to give this video a like down below and you can subscribe to our channel so you never miss any of our videos. We'll see you in the next one.